Hello students. Let's understand lysosomes today. Lysosomes are like the garbage disposal of the cell. They break down waste, unwanted materials, and even worn-out parts of the cell itself so that useful building blocks can be reused. Basic structure of lysosomes. They are small, membrane-bound sacs, like sealed bags inside the cell. Size is usually 80 to 800 nanometers, very tiny. You can only see them under an electron microscope. Inside them is an acidic environment, low pH, 4.5 to 5.0. They contain powerful digestive enzymes called acid hydrolases, more than 60 types. These enzymes are of different types, as you can see here. Special proteins, about 25 types, that do important jobs. Pump H-positive ions inside, to make the interior acidic so that enzymes work well. Help import proteins. Allow fusion with other vesicles. Transport digested small molecules out to the cytoplasm. How lysosomes work. 1. Newly formed lysosomes, the primary lysosomes. Fresh from Golgi apparatus, full of inactive enzymes, waiting for work. 2. They fuse with material that needs to be digested, become secondary lysosomes, also called digestive vacuoles. 2 main ways material enters. From outside the cell, for example, bacteria, food particles, heterophagy. From inside the cell, old organelles, damaged parts, autophagy. Inside secondary lysosomes, active digestion happens. Big molecules, small soluble molecules, amino acids, sugars, fatty acids, nucleotides. 3. Most digested products, small and useful, transported out, reused by cell metabolism. 4. But digestion is never 100% complete. Some material cannot be broken down, very tough debris, oxidized lipids, etc. This leftover junk stays inside, now called residual body or tertiary lysosome. What happens to residual bodies? 2 main parts. Exocytosis, vesicle moves to cell surface, contents thrown out, common in some cells like macrophages. Stays inside the cell forever, especially in long-lived cells that do not divide, for example, neurons, heart muscle cells, eye cells. When many residual bodies collect, they often fuse, form bigger dense vacuoles with layered, lamellar structures. Special case, lipofuscin. Most famous residual body content, lipofuscin, yellow-brown pigment. Made of oxidized lipids plus proteins that resist digestion. Accumulates mainly in long-lived postmitotic cells like neurons, cardiac cells. Gives brownish-yellow color to aging brain tissue, called wear and tear pigment or aging pigment. More lipofuscin, more brownish color in old brains, visible even to naked eye in large amounts. Some extra functions beyond garbage disposal. Lysosomes sometimes secrete their enzymes outside the cell, example. Osteoclasts, bone-destroying cells, release lysosomal enzymes, help erode bone during remodeling or resorption. Now, here is the lysosome's life cycle. Think of lysosomes like this analogy. The cell's kitchen waste bin plus food processor. Most food waste gets fully crushed and useful parts, nutrients, recycled. Some tough bits, like eggshells or plastic bits, remain, thrown away or stored in the bin forever. In old people's cells, the bin overflows with brown gunk, lipofuscin. Now the concept should be crystal clear. Lysosomes are multi-role digestive compartments, but they leave behind some stubborn waste that accumulates, especially in long-living cells as we age. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.